Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Root Beer here, looking at question number 2 on our 2010 Cayley contest. Question number 2 here. The minute hand points on a clock points at the 12. The minute hand then rotates 120 degrees clockwise. And the very definition of clockwise is that you move in the same direction as the numbers on a clock face. Counterclockwise or anti-clockwise is moving in reverse. So we rotate 120 degrees clockwise. I'm going to guess about the center here. Which number will it be pointing at? Okay. So, we've got a big circle. That's our clock here. Let's see if we can draw a better circle, although I am not known for being able to draw circles on demand. Could have been worse. Could have been worse. Okay, so we're at the 12 here. We want to rotate in this direction. And so our minute hand points one place, and then it'll point somewhere else, and we'll have 120 degrees here. Okay, now how can we understand what's this going to do in terms of the numbers? I know the numbers start going 1, 2, 3, and if I'm familiar with 120 degrees, I might guess that it's pointing down around the 5 or the 4 or something like that. But really, what is 120 degrees? Well, to go around the full circle, if I went the full way around the clock, I'd be back pointing at the 12, and I'd have gone 360 degrees. But this question's only asking me to go 120 degrees, which turns out to be 1/3 of the way around the clock. Now, the numbers, there's 12 numbers. One would think that they're evenly spaced out like any other clock in the world. And so if there's 12 numbers all the way around, then I should go 1/3 of 12. That is 4 numbers around. So 1, 2, 3, and in fact it's 4. And if we go back to look at the actual picture, you can see that, yeah, 4 and then 8 would be the next. This really breaks the clock into thirds. And so we are going to be looking at the 4, and that's an answer of C. Okay? 4 here that we calculated is just that I move 4 numbers around. Now, it just so happens that starting at 12, you'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's not somehow I knew to go 1/3 of 12 is 4 is automatically the answer. If we'd been pointing at the 2 and rotated 120 degrees, we'd be looking at 2 plus 4, which is 6. Okay, just to clarify that. Anyway, I will see you guys for question number 3 in the next video.